Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful ponytail hat, and for this crochet project, I am using a 5 number steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm crochet hook and a 3 ply yarn. First of all, we would make a slip knot like this. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making our chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. 4 chains will be counted. 4 chains. We would make 4 chains and then we would make slip stitch into the very first chain to form a ring of chain, and we would start working on this ring of chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 to start the first round. This will be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and draw up a loop like this. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2. This is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then through other 2 to make a double crochet. Make a double crochet stitch into the ring, which is our 4th double crochet including first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 5, and in this way we would make 16 double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have completed my stitches. Make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain here. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which also counted as double crochet, and then into the same chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch, make a double crochet. This is our increasing pattern for the second round. Now into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Then into the next stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then go into the next one, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is our pattern for the second round, making 2 double crochet in each of these stitches of first round. I have finished my stitches. Make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Start the 3rd round with chain 3. This is our simple stitch. Now we would go into the next stitch after chain 3, making 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into this same stitch, and this is our increasing stitch. Now next one would be our simple stitch without any increase. So make regular 1 double crochet stitch into it. Then the second stitch would be our increasing stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Then go into the next one, make 1 double crochet into it. By going into the next one, make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into it. So this is our pattern. Repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in every stitch till the end of this round. And now for the 4th round, make 3 chains first, then into the very next stitch make 1 double crochet. We have 2 simple stitches here without any increase. Go into the 3rd stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and after these 2 simple stitches into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So make an increasing stitch in every 3rd stitch by making 2 double crochets, till the end of this round. Repeat the same pattern, 2 simple double crochet and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So for the next round, make 3 chains again, and this time into the next stitch make 1 simple double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, and we have 3 stitches including first 3 chains, and after these 3 stitches our 4th stitch is increasing stitch for this round. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, then go into the next stitch, make double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, and after these 3 simple stitches 4th stitch is again our increasing stitch. Into this 4th stitch make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. So make an increasing stitch in every 4th stitch of this round. For the 6th round make 3 chains, and into the next stitch we would make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, and then into the next one make 1 double crochet. We have 4 stitches here, and then into the 5th stitch we would make our increasing stitch again, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern, make double crochet 1 into the first stitch, 2 in the next one, 3 into the third one, and 4 into the 4th stitch. And after these 4 simple stitches in this 5th stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, and repeat this process till the end. Now for the next round make chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch after chain 3, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, 1 double crochet into the 4th one, and 1 double crochet into the 5th one. So here are our 5 simple stitches without any increase, and then the next stitch is our increasing stitch. In this next stitch we would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. We would repeat this pattern and our round is completed. For the next round make 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the second stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, 1 double crochet into 4th one, 1 double crochet into 5th one, and then 1 double crochet into the 6th stitch. We have 6 simple stitches here, and this 7th one is our increasing stitch again. So in this stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. If you are using a 4-ply yarn you can make less increasing rounds as well according to the thickness of your yarn. We would complete this round with this same process of increasing. The base of our hat is ready and it is approximately 6.5 inches. Now we would start our simple pattern without any increase. So make 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, 1 double crochet into the 4th one, 1 double crochet into the 5th one, double crochet into 6th one, and double crochet into the 7th stitch, double crochet into the 8th stitch. So in this way we would just complete this round without any increasing pattern. Till this second last or last stitch. You can skip 1 or 2 stitches from here, it is up to you. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and turn up the work like this, and we are going to work backward now. Skip 1 stitch, and into the next one we would make 1 double crochet. Because chain 3 is counted as double crochet, so we have skipped the very first stitch, and we have started working into the next one by making 1 double crochet in each of them regularly without any increase. So make double crochets in each of these stitches and repeat this pattern till this corner chain 3. You can see this pattern of head. Now here is our chain 3, which is our last stitch as well. Sorry, here is our chain 3. We would make a double crochet in this chain 3 as well. So make double crochet into this chain 3, and then we would make 3 chains to start the next row. Make 3 chains, and now turn up the work again. Skip 1 stitch, and by going into the second one make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet, and in this way we would make double crochet stitches in each of these stitches, and we would make a few rounds until our required hat height is completed. So I have made few rounds here, and now we would make button part. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, 10, 11, these 11 chains would be fine for button. So we would work into the 4th chain from the hook, because chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet here also. So make double crochet into the 4th chain, then double crochet into the next chain, then into the next one, make 1 double crochet, and then into the next one make 1 double crochet. In each of these chains make 1 double crochet, and then we would start working on the double crochet stitches of our row. So make 1 double crochet in each of them as usual, as we have made in rounds and in rows. So complete this line, complete this row, and then by turning up make another row, and we have here now on these stitches, in this very first stitch make 1 double crochet, double crochet 2 into the next stitch, double crochet 3. Sorry, now we have to make buttonhole, double crochet into the third, and we can skip some stitches from here. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and we would skip 3 stitches, and into the 4th stitch we would make 1 double crochet. So this is our hole. Let's check If it is perfect for the button, pass the button through this hole. This one is perfect. So make double crochets in next stitch and chain 3. 1 double crochet into the stitch and then 1 double crochet into the third chain. Now make 3 chains to make our last row. Turn up the work, and by going into the second stitch we would make 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet would be made in the next stitch before chain 3. Then we are going to work into the chain 3 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 in this chain 3 space, and then we are going to work into the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in it, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and we would make double crochets in each of these next stitches till the end of this row, and join the button on this side with the help of tapestry needle. And I would share the final picture with you now after weaving the yarn ends and attaching the button. So this is our final hat, which is for adult size. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching.